Hello students, in my last video I had discussed with you the features of the storytelling and the lecture methods. In this current video we will discuss the features of the problem solving method. At the very outset, let us be quite clear about the meaning of the problem solving method. It is a method through which a felt difficulty to be acted upon is realized in an educative situation, followed by an attempt made in an intelligent and planned manner to find a purposeful solution for the same. In other words, the problem-solving method calls for a conscious, meaningful, and well-integrated activity. It begins with a problematic theme and ends with a definite solution by going through certain concrete and systematic procedures that may be outlined one by one as being provided herewith. The first problem-solving procedure step: recognition of the problem according to the interest and educational need of the students. Second, interpretation and delimitation of the problem, where the teacher enables the student to understand the problem clearly within well-defined limits or a scope of the same. Collection of the data. This step requires the student's knowledge of sources to be tapped to collect relevant information with the help of the teacher regarding the problem in hand. Organization and evaluation of the data, for which students are to be helped to discard the irrelevant data. Formulation of tentative solutions, where inferences drawn using the data are viewed minutely in a tentative manner prior to the formalization of the result. Establishing the final result. Here, a final conclusion is drawn logically and collectively by rejecting the wrong inferences. Verification of the result. In the last step, the result reached finally is verified and validated by applying various tests. Now, let us see its merits. The first merit I would specify here is the intellectual development. It develops the ability of thinking and reasoning in students. Next, development of social qualities. Problem-solving method provides valuable social experiences to students. They solve problems through joint and collective efforts. Next, development of study habits. Next, development of self-expression. Discussion held during the arrival of any solution to the problem helps in self-expression. Assimilation of knowledge. Students assimilate knowledge through purposeful activity. Active participation. Here, the students are stimulated to struggle for solutions of certain problems. They are then no longer passive members of a class but as active participants. Next, cordial relation between teacher and students. This method generates healthy relations between the teacher and the taught. The teacher comes to know the difficulties faced by the students and try to give guidance and practical knowledge and skill, which no doubt build a sense of confidence among the learners. So, these were some of the features of the problem-solving method. Thank you.